Hello and good morning, people. Welcome to Prosperous Wellbeing with Mike and GFF workwithmike.com. A little brisk this morning in upstate New York. It's 1 degree below zero, so it's pretty cold this morning. So I got the old hoodie on, keeping a little warm here. So what we're going to do today is a little bit of a kind of an education type of training that I'm going to offer and share people our back office and what you get when you join me at gffworkwithmike.com. These this is the sales funnel. This is where the magic happens. This is where your people that see your message go to your landing page. They get eyeballs on your landing page. They enter their email information. They fall into your onto your list, and then they get directed to a 7-minute video where they can actually see how this whole system works. Okay, so let's get with it. I want to share with you what you get here and get Fearless Freedom in when you join me at gffworkwithmike.com. Um, Unbelievable training. This is what we call our virtual training back office. This is where you will be able to virtually train, not physically train. Remember, we don't want to hold people by the hand, just like when I shared with you if in a prior video, if you get over 100 people, okay, and those 100 people want 5 minutes of your time, you're not going to be able to grow your own business. This is a system. This is an opportunity where it becomes system dependent. Okay. System dependent. That means your system is working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that you can do the things that are important in life to you. Whether, you want to, get more eyeballs on your landing page and your offer, or whether you want to be with your family. Okay. The whole purpose of getting involved with an opportunity to make money from home is not to make you more busy. Okay. There's definitely enough time in the day, 24 hours in a day. Remember, there's training that we already talked about. Well, you just gotta figure out what time you can sacrifice that you already give away now that you can put towards growing your business. Like I am right now. I'm doing a video. Super simple, people, super simple. Um, Okay, so this is our dashboard. This is incredible. This is our dashboard. This is what you're going to see when you get to your dashboard. Um, we have a Facebook page for people that are not started yet. Okay, so this is my URL. Okay, and I got a masked URL. So you can go to namecheap.com. Okay, maybe I'll together a real short, quick video on that as well, is how to get a URL cheap. Okay, for less than $12 for the whole year. Okay, and what this does is I go to namecheap.com, I get a URL. It's called gffworkwithmike.com. So if someone goes to, I'd rather promote gffworkwithmike.com because that's me, that's branding myself, okay, versus getfearlessfreedom.com, ICPs, all this information, right? So that basically, if you were to go and if you were to click on this, it's going to take you to my landing page. New 7-minute video reveals how you can instantly pocket $2,000 commission, even if you haven't earned a dime online. Okay. Boom. That's where it takes you. This is the sales funnel. This is your landing page. So people saw your offer. They clicked on your gffworkwithmike.com. This is where they put in their email information, okay? And that is your landing page. Let me share with you how crazy and incredible. Okay, and this, first of all, before we get going, this is how you get started. Click on everything and don't skip a step. Okay, so here's a 20-minute video. This
Welcome
is a
to Get
20
Fearless Freedom, and I want to.
Okay, this is a 20-minute video that shares with you how to step by step get your system up and running. Bonus, stay for the end, and I'll share with you how you can get this all done for you. It's called a business in a box white glove service. Okay, so um, done for emails, capture, and these are autoresponders. Okay, we're gonna hook you up to either I suggest get response, okay, over anything else. Okay. Sorry. You can create, oh, this is how you create a capture page. You know how simple it is create a capture page. So you can create any capture page you want. So here's a blank slate. This is an absolute blank slate. Sorry, I gotta move this toolbar if I can. There we go. You guys can't see, but I can see. Um, so here's a blank slate. So how fast do you think you can make a um, lead capture page? Well, let me show you. Less than 2 seconds. You want to count? Okay, start counting. Sorry. Boom. Done. There's my lead capture page. Boom. Already done. Save capture page. Okay, that's how incredible this is. It is fantastic. It's amazing. Okay, so let's move on. Um, let's go to your branding page. So we have what's called bridge page. So we have bridge pages which give you a little bit more information about you and your family and everything you've done. So this is a bridge page. We put this together for you. We build it out for you. When gets built out, this is what it looks like. Ready? Boom. Okay. Made $500 to $2,000 a month without speaking to anyone. Okay. Tells you about yourself, okay, your family, your history, your past, whatever it is. Then they click here and boom, it takes them to that unbelievable 7-minute video. If you go to gffworkwithmike.com, you enter your email, please watch this video. Okay, it's a 7-minute video. It has the founder of our company on this um in this video. She's a 7-figure earner and she will close your sales for you. So if you think you have to be good at sales, no, just get confident in the system that you're provided. And if you stay to the end, you'll find out about the bonus system. It's absolutely incredible. Okay. So it's an incredible system. So it sets up a payment information system for you. So how you want to get paid. Okay. When someone signs up, it will send you information, send the prospect information. Okay. This is how we want you to pay us. Okay. Pay your sponsor. Okay. You can set it up with anything you want. Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, all those different things. Okay. So there's different levels. Okay, there's what we call the $200 level. There's the $500 level. There's a $1,000 level. Okay, all these different levels. Okay, and all this training is here. Okay, you want to learn about how to set up what one the Craigslist follow-up system? Watch the video. Okay, we got an hour and a half video. Okay, that does this. Craigslist. Just so here's Craigslist. Okay, so here's my Craigslist ad. You get these incredible thumbnail images. Okay, over 150 of these images, totally branded specifically for you if you get the white glove treatment business in a box. And I'll share with you at the end how you get that. Okay, and okay, it's just incredible. Okay, this is a very enticing, very nice looking Craigslist ad. Okay, it's got color. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, it's just laid out nice. It's got some emojis in there. It's a compelling message that gives a call to action at the end. Okay, call to action. So it's incredible. Every step you will have YouTube success. You want to learn about YouTube success? Great. Go here, click it, download the report, click here for the video on vidIQ. So we have everything you need to make your business successful. All right. We've got specialized training. Okay. There's other resources. There's hundreds and hundreds of hours of virtual training here. Remember, we don't want to hold anybody by the hand. So this is what you got to know. This is a virtual training system. This is $1 million education platform. Okay, it costs $47 a month. So I want to make sure I put everything out there for you so you understand. It's $47 a month to have this system running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, $47 a month. Okay, it's your education platform. Think of it as it's your wealth education platform because that's exactly what it is. $47 a month. Okay, that basically covers all the hosting and all the training that you get in the back office. Okay, Monday nights we have an opportunity call where you can see exactly who we are, okay, on the live Zoom. It's a live Monday night Zoom. It's not a recorded Zoom that you'll find on some system. This is an absolute live system that you can have engagement on. Please, when you get on the live Zooms on Monday nights or whatever it is, Monday night specifically for you right now, please make sure you're muted. Always make sure you're muted. At the end, you will have an opportunity to ask questions. So please, total respect for anybody and everybody that's on that Zoom. Please be muted. Okay. At the end, we'll be able to ask or answer any of your questions that you ask. Okay. So again, call to action for you is this. Go to gffworkwithmike.com and your email address. Watch the 7-minute video. Hey, if you want to get started right away, no problem. You can get started right away. Okay. At the 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000, every sale that you make, you get 100% commission. Listen, if you start at the $2,000 level, it doesn't, you can get a free business in a box. At the $2,000 level, you pay $2,000, and for free, you will get a Google Chromebook already put together for you, okay, branded specifically with all your information. Okay, that is incredible. I've never had this opportunity, and I'm sure you never have either. Okay, to have a business in a box specifically branded just for you with all your information on it, your pictures, your landing pages, your capture pages, your YouTube funnel, your Craigslist funnel, your Facebook funnel, everything's done for you. Okay, you can train on it 24/7, 3 o'clock in the morning. You can train on it. Okay, your person that you sponsor can train on at 3 o'clock in the morning. You don't have to hold their hand. Okay. Tuesday night, we have a quick started video or live Zoom, quick started live Zoom on Tuesday. It's called the Get Started Quick Start Guide. Okay. Tuesday night, live Zoom. Okay. And we're going to do a training on how to get started. We're doing a training on a specific task that you can do right now to get started in your business. Okay. So, with that all being said, I am super excited for everybody here. Okay. If you're just tuning in, I'll leave a link below that you click on for gffworkwithmike.com or simply just go to gffworkwithmike.com, enter your email so that you can get started. Okay, you can get started right away, and we can get you started right away. I look forward to getting you started. Look forward to sharing with you the absolutely incredible opportunity that you have right now. All you got to do is take the action step. Go to gffworkwithmike.com, subscribe to the video, like the video below. I'm excited for you. Let's go. Have a great day.